Which of the river groups has drainage area in two states? C option is correct. Betwa, Dhashan and Ken. The presence of rich glacier deposits of gold on the Ghana coast, despite complete absence of source rock in the region. This is the correct statement. Gold veins are in Brazil. This is also correct. Ghana gold deposit originated from the Brazilian plateau. All three statements is correct. Therefore, D option is correct. 1, 2, 3. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Paddy, Sajapur, Agar, Malwa. This is the not correct because paddy required more irrigation, more water other than Bajra, Jwar, Majhe. Therefore, Malwa region has less rainfall in monsoon season. Therefore, paddy is the incorrect in Madhya Pradesh, Sajapur, Agra and Malwa region. 47. The plate tectonic theory was based on the concept of the sea floor spreading. This is the correct. The term plate was first used by Canadian J.T. Wilson in 1965. This is also correct. In 1967, Mackenzie and Parker explained the plate motion on the basis of Euler's geometrical theorem. Third is also correct. Therefore, the option is the correct. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 irrigation project and list 2 river basin. Samrat Ashok project match with Betwa A to 4, B to 3, Sukta to Narmada basins, and Thanwar to Venganga basin and Rajghat irrigation project to Sindh basin. Therefore, A option is correct. 4, 3, 1, 2. Plate move horizontally on the atmosphere as a rigid land mass. This is the correct. According to the concept of plate tectonics, it is the plate that are moving, not just the continents. These also correct options. Statement both 1 and are 2 correct. C option is correct. Following statements are given about the cast cycle of JWVD. In mature stage, numerous sink holes, doline, etc. are formed on the surface. This is the true. In the old stage, the cave roofs totally collapsed, cast, tunnel and homes, etc. are developed. Both statements are correct. Match the following list 1 with 2. List 1 geographers, list 2 related work. Eratosthenes identified 5 climatic zones. A match with 2 and Plato match with deductive approach. Hipparchus match with identified the grid of latitude and longitude, and Aristotle given inductive approach. Therefore, D option is correct. 2, 3, 4, 1. When the bottom of the balsams become flat, elevated due to deposition, it is called a playa. This is the true. Playa with large salt deposit is called salinas. This also true. Playa and Bajada are located close to each other. This also is true. 1, 2, 3 is the correct options. Stop and go determinism is related to Griffith Taylor. Who among the following coined the term topohila to describe the effective bond that develop between people and place? Topohila given by Yu Fu Tuan. C option correct. Which among the following is the correct chronological order of Greek scholar? First come with Hecatius. First come Hecatius. After that Eratosthenes. After that Hipparchus, and after that Posidonius. Therefore 3, 1, 4, 2 option is correct. Be moving. Who among the following scholars coined the terms permafrost to explain the Siberian soils? Alexander von Humboldt. Which of the following is also called Oriental Cultural Region? South Asian Cultural Region. Correct. Which of the following approach are correct for assessing the level of development? Spatial approach, model approach, conceptual approach, all the above. Some statements are given about the geopolitical significance of the Indian Ocean. The country of Indian Ocean a rich storehouse of mineral with including mineral oil. The Indian Ocean is accessible from the west and east only through narrow strait. Indian Ocean has limited outlets. By controlling these, it can be blocked at any time. America controls the entire region from Diego Garcia Island. All four statements correct. Which one of the following is not a local cold wind? Junda is not local cold wind. Junda is the hot wind. The following causes are given regarding the mechanical modification in the air masses: radix, convergence and divergence, subsidence of air and lateral expansion on the ground surface, lifting of air and convergence of air at the ground surface. All the statements are correct. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a planning region? Flexibility of its boundary, regional consciousness, contiguity and compactness, absence of natural cohesion. D option correct. Absence of natural cohesion. Who among the following had used distance minimization method for regional delineation? It's 1963. Which of the following region is not included in the major area of frontogenesis in North America? A option is correct. Not correct. Area west of Sierra Nevada mountain range. Sierra Nevada mountain range is not area that there were frontogenesis suitable for origin. Which one of the following is a characteristic of temperate cyclone? This cyclone generally moves from west to east. This is the true about temperate cyclone. Other B, C, D are not true about temperate cyclone. Following statements are given regarding exfoliation. Exfoliation is a result, not withering process. This is the true. This is more common in crystal rocks. True. It occurs more in the rock than that have low thermal conductivity. Correct. 1, 2, 3 all correct. In Thornthwaite's revised climatic classification of 1948, the basis of demarcating climatic region was potential evapotranspirations. B option correct. Vertical cracking occurs in the upper part of the rock due to pressure release. This is called sitting. Correct. Differential heating of outer and lower shell of a rock mass cause flaking. Both are correct. Arthur Holmes separated the action of rainwash and wind, which are associated with erosion, from the process of withering. Correct. According to B.W. Sparks, mechanical fracturing or chemical decomposition of rock by natural agents at the Earth's surface is known as withering. Both are correct. The following facts are given about the geosyncline. Dana first coined the term geosyncline. Correct. Hall was the first to explain the relationship between fold mountains and geosyncline. Also correct. Third is not correct because Tethys geosyncline extended across Asia and Europe only, not it is extended from far the Europe. The glacial tillage provide unambiguous evidence of the paleoclimate and also of the drifting of continents. This is the correct. The resemble of the Gondwana type sediment clearly demonstrate that this landmass had remarkably similar history. This is true. Wegener believed that movement of continent was caused by pole filling force. This also correct. All is correct. Who was the first German geographer to have formulated the concept of cultural landscape? Friedrich Rätzel. A option is correct. Man is a geographical agent and not the beast. This statement is related to which of following thinker? Lefebvre. Observe the statement given about the positivism and choose the correct answer from code given below. This view distinguishes between facts and value. This is true. It is also called empiricism. This is also true. In this, basis of knowledge is fact. This is also true. Positivism and idealism are synonyms with each other. 4 is not correct because synonym idealism is the not related to opposite of positivism. Not is the synonymous. Therefore, fourth option is not correct. 1, 2, 3 are correct. Who among following was the first to divide the circle into 360 degree? This is the Hipparchus. The concept of interdependent unity in nature is called Zusammenhang. German words. Which of the following map is made on a large scale topographical sheet?